Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm very well, thank you. Okay, before we start our class today, let's start with semangat pembebasan. Now I will check your attendance first. When I call your name, please raise your hand and say present. Okay, me. Acun, present. Linda, Putri, Rafi, hello. Today we are going to learn about personality context. The purpose of this lesson is to understand the structure, language feature, and create simple personality context for you. I have shared a previous in your WhatsApp group. Please send your phone and learn I will give you 2 minutes. It's enough. Are you finished, guys? Not yet. 1 minute again, ya. Done, miss. Finish, guys? Yes, miss. Okay. Before we start our learning about personality context, let's watch the video about the sports event. Please watch carefully, ya. Okay, alright everyone. What sport event did you see?
Football and badminton.
Have you ever participate in or watch a sport event?
Yes.
Yes. Please watch. What sport do you like?
Badminton. Running. Bicycling.
Okay. Have you ever write about your past experience in English before?
No.
Learn about personality context. What is personality context? Personality context is one type of context in addition to factual, autobiographical, biographical, literary, and historical data. It reads the writer's past experience with the aim to either inform or to entertain the audience. It often consists of orientation, events, and orientation. The generic structure. The context have 3 structures. First is orientation. Orientation is the opening section that provides information about the event, such as who was involved, where and when it happened. The second is events, the body of the text that presents a series of events in chronological order. And the last is reorientation, is the closing section that summarizes or concludes the story and may include the writer's feeling or impression about the event. the recount acts that are formed language feature. First is past tense, used to describe action that has already happened. The example is when speaking. The second is action verb, describes specific action. Example, watch, play, work. Third is temporal sequence, words that show the sequence of events. The example is first, then, next, after that. And the last is specific participant. Mention specific people, place, or events. The example is my best friend, the school, and last Saturday. Next is take a look at the example of text. The example, the title is My Experience at a Badminton Tournament. Let's read together, yeah?
Yes, miss.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Last Saturday,
First, all players warm up. Then the first game began. After that, the score was 21-19. Next, the tension is the second game. Finally, my school's player won the match 2-1. It was the most exciting match I've ever seen. I was so proud of my school athletes that every makes me motivated to have that seriously.
Okay, everyone, let's identify the structure together. Where is the orientation?
First paragraph.
Okay. And where is events?
Second paragraph.
Experts. And where is reorientation?
It was the most important thing.
Now we are going to create a personal complex. I will share you our sheet, and we will create a simple personal complex in both short event in 3 paragraphs. First, write the orientation, and then the events, and finally write the orientation. Are you understand, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'll share the worksheet and the picture. So, this write simple personality complex in the paragraph about sport that you have in the worksheet. I will give you 5 minutes. Is it enough? If you have any difficulties, you can ask me, ya guys.
What this is picture is silat here. Thank you.
What's your difficulty?
Okay, thank you.
Finish, guys.
Finish. Yes, miss. Yes.
I will give you some minutes. Please guys. And then please come forward and present your own personal account next time.
Then first. Putri first.
The first.
Atom Putri.
Sofia the first.
Putri first. Go one. The family to down. Putri first minutes.
I said Sofia the first.
Oh, yes. I'm sorry. I even be sorry. Really. Remember? Orientation. Masa digunakan a football match between our schooling and a rival school. The event is the game started at 4 p.m. In the first half, our team scored when goal through a lower leader. The crowd went wild. However, in the second half, the opponent equalized the score. It was very intense until the last minute when my friend Andy scored the winning goal. And the orientation is we were so happy and celebrated the victory by eating pizza together after the match. It was an unforgettable day.
This is running.
Title is watching a silat performance. Orientation last month. I had the chance to attend a pencak silat competition during the Independence Day Festival in Manila. The event is I watch a symphony or artistic category where I perform gracefully but powerfully with a match or gondok. After that, I saw a standing session. The athletes show incredible discipline and speed. I was amazed by how they respected each other by bowing before and after the fight. And class reorientation, seeing the event made me realize how beautiful our traditional martial art is. I am now interested in joining a silat club next semester.
Give us applause to Next, you want to talk
My friend.
Mami? Orientation. On Friday evening, I played badminton with my older brother at the sport hall near our house. Even my brother is much better than me, so he gave me a hard time. I had to run back and forth to return his drop shot. In the second set, I tried to play more aggressively and finally won that set with a score of 21-19. However, my brother won the final set because I ran out of green. The orientation, even though I lost the game, I felt I promised myself to practice my smash more often so I can beat him next time. And it was
My first basketball tournament. Orientation, 2 months ago, I participated in a 3-on-3 basketball tournament held at the city sports center. Then, I got nervous when I stepped on the court. First round, I struggled to run ball properly because of the pressure. But after my coach gave me some motivation, I took my confidence and managed to make 2 3-pointer shoot that helped my team reach the semifinals. The orientation overall I felt proud of my progress. I learned that teamwork is the most important thing in this business.
Give last one after them come
Volleyball, fighter, volleyball, volleyball practice with neighbors. Yesterday afternoon, I joined my neighbors for a friendly volleyball match in the community field. We divided ourselves into 2 teams. I was assigned as a center. The sun was quite hot, but we didn't care, and we had many long rallies. And I successfully blocked across from the opposing team. We laughed a lot whenever someone made a funny mistake while serving. By the time the sun set, we were exhausted but satisfied. Playing volleyball is a great way to stay fit and stay close with neighbors.
applause to Aja. Applause to everyone. Alright. Before we close the class, I would like to know your understanding. What is personal context? Yes, excellent. And what is generic structure in personal context? And what is linguist feature in personal context? Yes. Correct. And last? Okay. I have shared a mock test in our WhatsApp group. Please take your phone and please do it quickly. I will give you 2 minutes to get the question. of our class today by reciting from the together. Thank you for today. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.